In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get OneNote to open on startup. Setting OneNote to launch automatically when your computer starts can save you time and help you stay organized by having your notes ready as soon as you log in. The process is simple and only takes a few steps. First, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager from the menu. Once the Task Manager window opens, navigate to the Startup tab. This tab shows all the applications that are set to run when your computer starts. Here you can see which programs are enabled or disabled for startup. Look for the OneNote application or the Send to OneNote tool in the list. If it is currently disabled, click on it and then select Enable. This action ensures that OneNote will automatically open every time you start your PC. If the application is already enabled, you don't need to do anything further. Enabling OneNote on startup is particularly helpful if you frequently take notes throughout the day or rely on the app to manage tasks and reminders. It removes the need to manually open OneNote each time and ensures your notebooks are immediately accessible. After enabling OneNote in the Startup tab, you can close Task Manager. The next time you restart your computer, OneNote will launch automatically. This small adjustment can make your workflow smoother, especially if you use OneNote for meetings, schoolwork, or personal projects. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, OneNote will always be ready and open whenever you start your PC. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss another helpful tip or tutorial.